a working mom like me, it's time for us to work smarter, not harder. That's why I love this robot vacuum cleaner, because you can set her up on a timer to clean automatically, or you can use this remote to start her up. And she picks up dirt, crumbs, and pet hair. She works great on carpet and on vinyl floors and can even vacuum over rugs. But the best part is that she gets under places I've never been able to clean, like under the dresser, under the couch, and under the bed. Where the hell she go? And she is super slim, but she can pick up a lot of crap. And when she's done with her chores, she just goes back to her base to charge right up. And I am so sorry for anyone who purchased her yesterday for $229, because right now she's on sale for $99 with free shipping. Don't do more work than you have to. Get your hands on this robot vacuum cleaner before the sale ends.